Why is the ocean salty, while rivers and rainwater are not? From space, Earth looks blue. Water covers about 71% of our planet. But here's the shocking truth. Nearly 96.5% of all that water is ocean water, and humans cannot drink it. In fact, drinking seawater doesn't save your life. It slowly makes dehydration worse. The same water that controls Earth's climate and supports marine life can shut down the human body in a matter of days. Why would nature design water this way? To understand that, we need to travel billions of years into Earth's past, to a time when the oceans were not salty at all. The ocean did not start out salty. Early Earth had mostly fresh water. So what changed? Every time it rains, something important happens. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the air and becomes slightly acidic. That weak acid falls on land and slowly breaks down rocks. From those rocks, tiny particles are released, especially sodium and chloride, the two elements that make salt. Rivers carry these minerals into the ocean, and here is the key point. Rivers flow into the ocean, but the ocean does not flow away. The water evaporates, but the salt stays behind. This process has been happening for billions of years. Scientists estimate that over 4 billion tons of dissolved salts enter Earth's oceans every year. But rain is not the only source. Deep beneath the ocean floor, seawater seeps into cracks in Earth's crust. Heat from magma triggers chemical reactions, and the water rises back up through hydrothermal vents, rich in minerals and salts. The ocean has been collecting salt from both the land and Earth's interior for nearly 4 billion years. Salt itself is not dangerous. Humans actually need salt to survive. But the problem is concentration. Human blood contains about 0.9% salt. Ocean water contains about 3.5% salt. That difference is critical. When you drink seawater, salt enters your bloodstream. Your kidneys try to remove it. But here's the trap. To flush salt out, your kidneys need fresh water. Seawater contains less water than your body needs to remove its salt. So your body uses its own water reserves. You lose more water than you gain. This leads to dehydration, faster than drinking nothing at all. That's why people lost at sea often become weaker after drinking ocean water. Some animals can drink seawater safely. Whales and seals have extremely efficient kidneys. Seabirds have special salt glands near their beaks. Fish constantly pump salt out through their gills. Humans never evolved these systems. We evolved near rivers and freshwater sources, not the open ocean. If salt keeps entering the ocean, why doesn't it become saltier over time? Because the ocean also removes salt. Some salt gets locked into seafloor rocks. Some sinks as crystals. Some becomes part of Earth's crust. Over long time scales, the system stays balanced. The ocean works slowly, on geological time, not human time. It regulates climate. It stores heat and carbon. It shapes life on Earth. The ocean is not hostile. It is precise. It supports life, but only for organisms adapted to its rules. And that reality shaped human history. Civilizations formed around fresh water. Survival depended on understanding limits. The ocean holds almost all of Earth's water. Yet, humans depend on less than 1% of it. Before you leave, take a moment to think about this. The ocean holds almost all of Earth's water, yet humans survive on only a tiny fraction of it. That simple fact shaped our biology, our civilizations, and the limits of where we could live. Understanding why seawater is salty isn't just a science question. It's a reminder that nature works on rules far older than us. If this video taught you something new, write one thing you learned in the comments. Even a single sentence helps this conversation continue. And if you enjoy calm, factual stories that explain how our planet truly works, consider subscribing to Depth Uncovered. This channel is about understanding Earth without noise, without fear, and without rushing to conclusions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next new toy pick.